Welcome back, everybody. This is my last segment to my country style cooking. This is going to be done on a cast iron Wednesday because it's being done in a cast iron skillet. Big skillet. Oh. But this way, I have to have two hands just to hold that up without anything in it. I may have to have the guys help me lift it up when I get done. We'll see. Alright, let's continue on. Be right back. Okay, what we have here is we got about 10 potatoes, red potatoes, diced, rinsed 3 times because I like to get as much of that starch out as possible, and because it doesn't make it crispy if you have all that. Then we have smoked sausage. It's a 1 pound smoked sausage, onions and green peppers, pepper, seasoned salt, and Insane Chef's seasoning. So let's see how it tastes with that. Wait a minute, my finger keeps moving on me. Alright, but that's there. Alright, and this is that big cast iron skillet I was talking about. And yes, I got bacon grease in there. That's the best way to make those potatoes crispy and tasty. Alright, be right back and I'll meet you over at the stove. Okay, folks, let's get those potatoes in there. I'm waiting first to make sure it gets nice and hot. Not hot yet because it's still melting that bacon grease. Once that's all melted, you hear the little popping sounds. Ready? Not yet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to play some music for you while you watch me do this. It might be speeded up a little bit. Alright? So I don't think we're going to do 30 to 45 minutes of cooking, but I like for you to see everything as I go about doing it. Alright, here we go. I wanted you to hear that sizzling sound. Now, enjoy the music. Okay, folks, we're going to transfer this out of this into the bowl. As you can tell, we're shaking, rattling, and rolling. So bear with me. And I heard some pans fall in the cupboard. You notice I don't jump to that anymore because it's only that part of being on a towboat. Hopefully you can hear me above all this rattling. Now we're going to do the onion and green peppers. Just saute them down. Again, I apologize for all the shaking. But y'all want to know what it's like on a towboat? This is part of it. used to it. The only time I pay major attention to it is if I didn't have this in front, I'd be worried about food falling off the stove. And there's some boats that don't have that on the front, they have it on the side. There's not enough room on the sides for it to spill over there. You need it more in the front. Okay? Alright, now we're going to add the sausages. The reason why I don't make them together, these and these, they put off moisture. I'm trying to keep them somewhat crispy. So I don't cook them with it. And by the time these get all done, that moisture would have evaporated instead of going into the potatoes and making them soggy. See all that moisture coming off that sausage? You notice I didn't have to put any oil in it because there's enough oil in these sausages to saute this just right. And with those onions and green peppers as well. Now we add the potatoes back. And mix it all together. All the juices of everything together. I know you guys were watching all that grease before, that bacon grease. The potatoes soaked it all up, gave it a good flavor. There's some still left. Voila! It is done. Wait a minute. That's French. And this is Southern cooking. Hell yeah! It's done! Wait a minute. Hell yeah, it's done, y'all. Oh, that's Texas. Yep, all done. Now let's see if I can lift this off, put it over there. Today when I was doing the bacon gravy, if you saw my bacon gravy thing, you saw me almost spill it. Alright, here we go. Oh God! It's all done. Ham hocks and beans with onions, seasonings. Oh, heaven right there. Then you have that cornbread. That cornbread, now, if you all true Southerners know, you gotta serve those on top of those. And even some Southerners, they serve that on top of that, which is those hash browns, onions, green peppers. You know what? I'm gonna go chop up some green onions and put on there. Anyways, and the sausage. So, I want you all to have a great day. Be right back. Well, folks, all the country cooking is done for today. Sorry, somebody opened up the door, saw I was still filming, so Alright. I hope you enjoyed all my videos. Alright. You all have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I have got to go now to a meeting up in the wheelhouse. Sad news. About 4 or 5 days ago, I would say about 4 days ago, we lost a member of our family here in the towboat industry. And they worked for our company. They were up at a lock, putting down the sounder, and unfortunately, he didn't see how far out he was because it was done at night. He fell into the river and did not make it. So we're having a meeting, and most likely in remembrance and about our safety issues. All right, you all have a great day, and I will see you on the next video, and I'll see you down the river.